In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play Volleyball Legends on PlayStation 5. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Before I start making this video, I want to make it very clear that I'm going to be recording this video on my PC and I'm going to be showcasing gameplay of Volleyball Legends on a PC, but you can absolutely follow along on a PlayStation 5. I'm recording on my PC because it is easier for me to get higher quality footage this way, but I'm still going to talk about what to do if you are on a PlayStation 5. So just like the PC version of Roblox, you can look for Volleyball Legends, and once you select the experience, you can use your controller to browse around all the options, join servers, and so on. The controls will be displayed here. So you can do bump, set, and dive, and if you are mid-air, you can do a spike or a block. To do a bump or a spike, you press the right trigger, aka R2 on a PlayStation controller. You can do a set or a block by pressing the left trigger, aka L2, and you can dive using X or a different button on PlayStation. So you can now go ahead and join either a public or a private server. I'm going to join a private server because it is easier for me to demonstrate. From this point onwards, there is no secret to actually play. It is just as if you are playing on PC, mobile, or any other platform. So when you join, you can press the X button to jump. As you can see, you can tilt your character mid-air while jumping. Your actions are going to change when you are mid-air. So once we actually get around started, I'll demonstrate that. You can use the share or select button to navigate through all of the menus here. So you will have this little crosshair that you can move around with the left joystick. And once you join a team and a position, all of the buttons will be set up for you. So remember, R2 to bump, L2 to set. To dive, it is most likely going to be the square button on a PlayStation controller. You can press triangle for shift lock. And when you are mid-air with the X button, you can see it changes to spike, block, and set. So super simple to do, and it works for consoles. So you can play with a controller or even a keyboard and mouse if you prefer. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos, so I highly count on your subscription. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.